This is one of the most popular street snacks in China. Spicy crisscross potatoes. It looks fancy, but it's actually really easy to make at home. The potatoes are crispy and coated in a spicy, savory sauce that's super addictive. I make these almost every week. Stick around and I will show you step by step how to make them. First, we started with the potatoes. Use yellow skin, yellow fleshed potatoes. They turn out crispier. The crisscross cut is mostly for looks and texture. The ridges helps the seasoning stick, so every bite is flavorful. Soak the potatoes in cold water to remove excess starch, then drain them. Chop some red chili, green onion, and a few celery leaves. Next, we cook the potatoes. I like my extra crispy, so I fry them for about 2 minutes. If you prefer them softer, you can fry a little longer. Now let's season. Add sugar, salt, chicken powder, Sichuan peppercorn powder, soy sauce, vinegar, green onions, chili powder, and a little leftover potato oil. Mix everything well so all the potatoes are coated. Look at that color, bright, shiny, and irresistible. And that's it. Crispy, spicy, savory, and slightly nummy. Every bite has a perfect mix of texture and flavor. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.